Squeeze out a little toothpaste in a bowl. Then, add about 1 teaspoon of potato juice. And, add 1 capsule of vitamin E oil. Mix them together. Now, with help of a clean cotton swab, apply the paste on your dark spots. Leave it on for about 2 minutes. Then wash off with cool water. But remember, do a patch test before applying toothpaste on your skin. If you have dry and sensitive skin, then avoid using toothpaste on your skin. Instead, use a combination of potato juice, vitamin E oil and honey. Potato juice used in the paste contains high amounts of vitamin C, which is very beneficial for hydrating your skin. They have skin bleaching properties that help to clear blemishes and correct uneven skin tone. This natural remedy is better and more effective than expensive chemical-rich creams and ointments. You can also use a potato juice to treat eczema. They helps to eliminate dark spots and also help treat pimples. Dark spots can be attributed to a variety of factors, such as free radical damage and aging. Vitamin E can alleviate such problems. Vitamin E is an enriched source of free radical fighting antioxidants. These antioxidants reduce free radical damage that may have resulted in the hyperpigmentation, leading to spots. Vitamin E contains antioxidants that neutralize the effects of free radicals caused by ultraviolet radiation, thus soothing sunburns. Toothpaste can lighten dark spots and reduce pimples. Toothpaste contains antibacterial and bleaching agents that kills bacteria that causes pimples and make dark spots lighter. Don't use toothpaste if you have a sensitive skin. Do a patch this before trying this remedy on your skin. I hope you liked the video. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.